Hello, my name is Austin Odiase. So I'm just going to go straight ahead with explaining uh, the unnormalized data. So this is the unnormalized data. This is the first normal form, the second normal form, and the third normal form. Then moving ahead to the ER diagram, which I have right here. So this is the clients table, the renters table, the properties table, and the owners table. The blue color you can see is the table. The other color you can see is the primary key. The orange color is the foreign key. The green color is the entity relation, and the white color is the attributes. So this one has about 2 attributes. This one has 5 attributes, both foreign key and primary key, and this one has 4 entity attributes. Then this one has 2 attributes, both primary key and attributes. So moving ahead to workbench, so I have my arrow diagram, which is right here. So moving ahead to the code, so I'm just going to explain the code from the beginning. So this is the client renter database. This one creates the database, this one shows the database, which I'm just going to run here. You can see the list of database I have. Then this one uses the database. Then this one, this line of code creates the table, the client table. This one creates the owners table. This line of code creates the properties table, and this other line of code, it creates the renters table. And moving down to adding dummy data, which I've already created down here. So moving ahead to that, so right down here I'm inserting the dummy data for clients table. If I should click on this, it's going to show me all of the dummy data which is being created. Those are 15 dummy data for the client table. Moving ahead to section, this is the renter table. So clicking on this is going to show me all of the dummy data which I've already created and inserted into the renter table. So moving next to the property table. So this is the dummy data for the properties table, which is right here. So after that, I'm moving down towards the query. This is my first query, which is going to retrieve all clients along with the associated property. So if I should click on this, it's going to print out a screen. So these are all the clients: the client name, number, client name, property address, rent start and rent finish. That's the client details. Then moving ahead to list all properties rented out by all clients whose name begins with D. So you can see this is where the conditional statement is. Clients where their name equals to D. You can see the conditional statement, the join statement, the from client table is being stated. I'm just going to click on this. So you can see that is D, David Garcia. So next I'm going to click on this one, which is clients, which is list all clients who have properties from a specific range, date range. Then next is this one, which is calculate the total monthly rent for each client. As you can see, this is the total monthly rent for each client. So next is find the owner of a specific property. So this specific property is being tagged PG12. That's property 12, which is being owned by Ella. So this is the PG12. Next on the list we have the select owner's number, owner's name. That's count the total number of property being owned by each owners. So for some owners own about 3 properties, and some owners own about 2 properties, and some owners own about 1 property. All of this list is being created out using the query that was being done. Then next we have identify owners with multiple properties. So we have this one. These are the owners with multiple property. Wendy owns about 3 properties. Then next we have list all clients along with their properties. So this is it. These are every client with their properties and the total monthly rents, total annual rents. Then next we have the find all clients who find the client who pays the highest amount of rent, which is this is Leonard Clark. So next we have property, these are properties with rent greater than average. So this is it, and this is going to just list all of the properties that the rent is above the average of the total. So this is it. This is the ER diagram. This is the unnormalized data from first normal form to third normal form and the dummy data, and here we have the ER diagram. So that is all. Thank you.